Jockey Robert Halladine and trainer Robert Pearson say they'll be fully in charge of the fourth running of the BGLC Diamond Mile as Will in Charge seeks to end the dominance of 17-time champion trainer Wayne Da Costa in the richest race in the English-speaking Caribbean tomorrow at Caymanas Park.
The 5-year-old chestnut horse, Will in Charge, has been enjoying one of the best seasons since making his debut in 2016 as one of the top classic contenders, which never really materialized, as his best placing in the campaign back then was a second-place finish in the St. Leger. After the 3-year-old campaign, Will in Charge did not do much and only prevailed in one Grade 1 event. He was expected to be one of the main challengers to Triple Crown winner She's a Man Eater in last year's Diamond Mile, but again disappointed his connections after finishing 5th, some 5 lengths behind She's a Man Eater. However, after back-to-back knee operations, there was a turnaround in form as Will in Charge reeled off 4 victories from 6 starts, all coming in Grade 1 company. In those victories, Will in Charge defeated She's a Man Eater twice and also scored a victory over 2-time Diamond Mile winner Seeking My Dream. Jockey Halladine and trainer Pearson have promised one thing.
Well, a mile, I'm comfortable with a mile, definitely. Well, I know my horse, I know he's comfortable with the chip, so I'm comfortable with it. I'm coming to win the race, definitely. I'm coming to win the Diamond Mile, nothing less. Will in Charge to win, whoever runs second, runs second.
It's very important for the jockey to be very confident. I mean, he's working well, he's doing well, and he's very happy, so we're coming to run. If he's 3 lengths ahead at the furlong pole, nobody will catch him.
Saturday will surely be another revenge matchup between She's a Man Eater and Will in Charge. The last time the mighty filly received the 6 pounds, she won by a short head, and now carrying 121 pounds to Will in Charge's 126 pounds. Trainer Wayne Da Costa says She's a Man Eater is more suited to the mile journey.
My horse is an ideal miler. She's drawn on the outside, which should pose no traffic problem for her. So it's left to be seen who comes out victor today, but I can tell you it's going to be a grand fight from the 3 furlong to the winning post.
The Anthony Babanionis trained Big Daddy Cool has been the runner-up twice in the Diamond Mile. He'll be ridden by former champion jockey Dick Cardenas, who has replaced Linton Stedman, who was aboard for his previous 4 races this season. After finishing 7 lengths behind She's a Man Eater and Will in Charge in the Super Stakes, Cardenas is taking some comfort from the running style he displayed in that race.
Last race, him broke really good. He sit on tour. I expect him break and sit on closer to the pace again. And I think he have a little speed now, better than before.
Da Costa has 7 of the 16 runners, including, without exception, the full brother to She's a Man Eater, who has come into the reckoning after an impressive victory in the SVREL Invitational Mile on Super Stakes Day. There he clocked a fast 1:31 and 1/5, and jockey Javanil Patterson says he will be taking over the lead entering the straight for home.
Well, it will suit me, because that horse, really and truly, I don't think other horse will really go with that horse. So really and truly will bring the pace that hard for me to come before the other horse.
Derby winner Drone Striker and a stablemate, another bullet from the barn of Patrick Wacky Lynch, could be the spoilers. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.